Here I have Samsung Galaxy M34 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So first let's go to the settings, then go to the storage section, battery and device care then go to storage. Okay, so here you have to swipe to SD card, tap on three dots and select format. Then tap format, and after a few seconds SD card will be fully formatted and ready to be used anew. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.